Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, yeah. Stick to the plan, yeah. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan, yeah. Stick to the plan, yeah. Really, it ain't nothing to it, it just
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is lisaphan, and today I wanted to walk you guys through a work day in my life at college. I got myself a full-time position for the next 6 months, so I wanted to walk you guys through a day within my first week at work, and this video is also sponsored by my family at Sephora collection, so thank you to them. I will be sharing more about their new Best Skin Ever foundation, but for now, this is my very calm-ish morning routine. I just like to slowly get ready in the morning, grab a coffee, and just check Slack, emails, things like that. So I will catch you guys in a bit.
You don't need no filters. You my rocket, you my perfect picture. Baby, you know I'm tryna kick it with ya. Ain't gotta wait till it gets dark. We get 106 in Park, you be my rock, I be your bitch. I'm tryna show you off, I'm tryna flaunt you. I'm obsessed with ya, baby, I want you. Let them watch ya, tell them they can tune in, show you how we do it.
Alright guys, I just caught up on Slack, I emailed, and I just did some more readjusting since it is still my first week at work. I'm still setting up all of my calendars and syncing everything just so that I don't miss stuff, because I generally use Apple Calendar and stuff like that. But let's go ahead and get ready. Like I said before, I was going to share with you guys one of my new favorite foundations, and this is my current makeup routine that you guys have been seeing on my Instagram, and I just love how I've been doing it these past couple of weeks, so I want to share with you guys. Alright, so I have already moisturized this morning with the Sephora collection All Day Hydrator. It's my favorite morning moisturizer. It's really light, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and prime my face a bit with the 𝐋𝐄𝐒 Blur Primer from YSL. So now for the star of the show, I'll be using the new Sephora collection Best Skin Ever foundation. I'm in the shade 18.5Y, which means it's a more yellow undertone. This is the perfect shade for my skin tone. It's the perfect amount of warmth, but it's also not too yellow where I look kind of off. So this is perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my face. I do about a pump and a half. This foundation comes in like 50 shades, so that's incredible. You guys will find your match. I'm also using the foundation brush made for this foundation, and it is called, so it's just the foundation brush on here, but here it's called the Sephora collection Makeup Match brush, and I absolutely love it. It gives the perfect amount of coverage, and the bristles are dense enough to get you that coverage but also that airbrush finish. So I like to go for medium coverage, not too heavy and not too light, because my skin has been looking a little stressed, but I don't like it to look like I'm wearing foundation. So there is the foundation applied. I feel like it just looks like my skin. I love it. And I didn't mention this before, but this is only $20 US and then $25 Canadian, and that's an amazing price point. I feel like with Sephora collection, you do not have to sacrifice price for the quality. You get premium quality for really nice prices, and I've used foundations from Sephora as well, like NARS, Pat McGrath, and they're all like over $60, $48 to $60, and it's so expensive, and they finish really well. I do like them on my skin, but if you're looking for a really nice and affordable foundation option, I love this one, and it gives me basically the same amount of coverage and look for a lot less. And the bottle itself is glass, so no plastic, and it's actually made out of 30% recycled glass, which is incredible. So yeah, love this foundation. And all the brushes I use are also Sephora collection, just because they work amazing. Also all handmade. Now I'm just slightly contouring with my Fenty matchstick in Mocha. I've been really like cream contour these days over too much powder. makeup is pretty much done for now. I'm gonna move on to my eyebrows, and I'm using the Sephora Collection Brow Shaper Pencil in medium brown. Alright, last up for the eyes. You guys already know I use this in every single makeup routine, every single makeup story, video, whatever. And this is the Sephora Collection Retractable Eyeliner Waterproof version. This is in the color brown. It has a light, glittery sparkle to it, and I think it has the perfect amount, too, of that shimmer to add some dimension. But this is my favorite eyeliner. I always use this to do my eyeliner. Alright, last bit. I'm just gonna lightly highlight my face. Blush. And then for my lips today, I'm using the Sephora Collection Glossed Lip Gloss in the shade Booked. So this is the look for the day. Very clean, simple, and I'm excited to do some stuff. That was a miniature break to get ready, but I have my coffee and we're ready for some coffee chats and meetings. So out of my meeting, it was just a quick call. I'm really debating on if I want to like reach out to the rest of my team and do one-on-ones or wait until our team lunch that's on Friday. I think it's on Friday, to see everyone and then schedule calls, just so that it feels a little bit more casual. So for now, I think I'm just gonna go through some docs that my manager sent me to go over, and then I'm gonna figure out if I can film today because the lighting is so crap. My like bedroom gets light, but it's not good enough, I don't think. But for now, I'm just gonna check my computers. I just did some WISE stuff for my student org, the Women's Interdisciplinary Society of Entrepreneurship. I just went through some stuff for there, scheduled a meeting for tomorrow, and made a quick tiny little agenda. So that's what I did, and I got a little cold, so I put on my Uniqlo jacket. But yeah.
Turned 19 and I dropped out for a few months in my hometown, 'cause I'm moving on to big and better things. Had a lot of low things, but I'm up now. Keep your head on straight, don't slow down, 'cause I'm moving on to big and better things. We stay up too late, but we don't go out. My new friends are fake, they all talk too loud. I got one more year. I'm in a rush 'cause I'm 19.
Alright guys, it is the end of my work day. It's currently almost 4:30. I'm gonna hop on my last call, last bit of work for co-op, and then I have plans to go to Whole Foods. So that's what we're doing tonight. And then yeah, so let me just
everybody here's young, rich and sad, but I want it so bad. Now I'm growing up and I'm 19, but I don't give a 'cause I'm finding I don't wanna be young, rich and sad, but I wanna be so bad. But I wanna be so bad. But I wanna be so bad. 19.
Alright guys, I'm done with my work day. I have tons of to-dos for tomorrow morning, and I just scheduled another call with someone on the team so that I can get to know them. But yeah, great work day. I am now tired and ready for a walk. Let's close this window. The essentials: key, hand sanitizer, wallet, lip gloss. Mask of the day is from 𝐋𝐄𝐏, and oh my god, my skin looks really good. All right. Let's go to Whole Foods. Actually, I think I'm gonna bring my phone. So for the next few clips, iPhone quality.
But I don't got no money or enough clout. I'll be writing sad songs in my mom's house. Think to myself when it gonna take off. I'm just trying.
Alright guys, I'm back from Whole Foods, and you know, after my mask, my foundation still looks pretty good. In my opinion. Doesn't it look like normal? She's good. Okay, anyway, I have 2 bags of groceries that I am gonna now put away.
Looking for me, telescope. Take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon. Tell me you'll be on real soon. I don't wanna wait no more.
So to begin the end of my day, I'm just cooking a little bit of dinner. This is leftover tortellini I had in the freezer and some sauce, and I threw in some shrimp that I had left over as well in the freezer. So that's what I'm doing. Very, very simple. And I'm using my favorite pan, the Always pan. So yeah, I love cooking. This is like my time to like wind down and relax. So I hope some of you guys can relate, but I love cooking, and this is gonna be my dinner and for my lunch tomorrow. I'm making a really big batch.
Space, space, space,
Alright, so it turns out I actually don't have a meeting, but I did make my dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat that. We have here some Italian sausage tortellini with some tomato basil sauce, and then I threw in some shrimp that I had left over to add a bit of fillingness, but I have another serving left for tomorrow. So yeah, I think that was pretty successful. I could have cooked the tortellini a little more al dente so that it cooked more in the sauce, but she's good. I haven't tasted her yet, but I guess I'll be eating this and chilling for how long I take to eat it. So that's that. Alright, so I'm out of the shower. I'm actually wearing my Sephora collection robe that I got so long ago. I feel like this brings back memories with the Sephora collection family, but yeah, I just took a shower and I just feel more comfy in this little waffle knit robe. It just feels really good. So yeah, anyway, I'm not even in focus, am I? So after dinner, I kind of like I put in text, I kind of was just like going through it as I do every other week. So I decided to just take my time in the shower. I didn't even wash my hair. I kind of just like stood there just breathing everything in, and then I lit my little fancy candle that I got for my birthday that I didn't even use yet. So thank you, shout out to my friend Lori for that candle. It smells incredible. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and just do my skincare routine. I forgot to do a check-in with you guys, but anywho, it's the end of the night, so winding down, and I'm basically just gonna do my skincare routine, clean up the apartment, and then maybe get a little bit of work done. Hello everyone, this is future Lisa editing, and I just wanted to hop in and say thank you for watching. I ended up not really filming the rest of my night. I filmed myself cleaning, but it was just, I don't think you guys needed to watch another cleaning montage. I washed dishes basically and clean up the kitchen. But yeah, that is pretty much a day in my life, working from home at a 9 to 5, as well as balancing a little bit of school stuff like clubs and YouTube. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little sneak peek into my life. I'll be vlogging more this semester. A lot of you guys suggested more vlogs when I asked you guys on Instagram, so I'm really happy to continue them if you guys want to see them. And thank you again to Sephora Collection for sponsoring today's video. Check out the amazing Best Skin Ever foundation down below in the description. But that is all for today's video, and I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all, and stay tuned for more. I love you guys. Goodbye.